Hey guys,
Hey, what's up?
today is Saturday. It's really gloomy outside and it's raining. It was supposed to be like 80 degrees today, but it's like really nasty outside. I worked
Very
I worked a half a day today, and we decided, since I got off early. Okay, now I don't know if it's like this in any other state, but like in the Hampton Roads area, whenever we get like a new store or restaurant, everybody wants to be the first one to get there. So it's like,
You too.
really, yeah, us too. But okay, everybody wants to be the first to get there. So it's like really, really crowded. And we just got a new IKEA that opened up last Wednesday. And on the news, it said like that opening day on Wednesday, they had like 15,000 people there.
Damn.
So yeah, so this is like the first weekend that it'll be open. So we decided to go and see how crazy it's gonna be up there, and we want to take you along so you know you guys can see too how crowded it gets and how crazy it is. So I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, like wanting to be the first one out there and going to a new place, but we'll see. So you guys stay tuned. But you know what? We are going to make one stop first because I didn't eat anything today. And did you eat?
A little bit. A little something.
What did you eat?
I'm not gonna tell him.
Oh, we're going to make one stop. It's this food truck called Got Fish. And I don't know if anybody else has heard of it, but I really, really like it. You like it.
Yep.
So we're going to stop there and get something, and we'll show you guys what the food looks like. Then after that, we'll be on our way to IKEA, and then we're going to try to take you guys in so you can see how it looks. So hopefully they'll let us record in there. Sean is going to meet us up there too, so we'll be back. So this is one, well, we both got the same thing, so let me show y'all what it looks like.
Damn, that's mine.
It's a shrimp po' boy, and it's crabby fries, and it has like, it's french fries. Yeah, this could be yours. And it has like some crabby sauce on top, so.
Yeah, I'm like licking my lips.
We're at the first weekend opening of IKEA. He tried to hit me. Are you excited to buy some stuff?
Yeah.
Lenny, are you excited
Very
to
excited.
go shopping?
Yeah, my man stink.
Not
You
me.
said they're bomb.
Ain't talking about the guy back there.
Yeah, like we were saying before, it's gonna be crazy. Like, because this area, when we get something new, like a store or restaurant,
People don't know how to act. They are out here like IKEA is the African American Museum of Natural History, whatever the name is. There's a lot of people out here, but we're about to check it out and see what's going on. We got good parking, right?
Yep.
We actually got into the garage. A lot of people are coming on the shuttles from the overflow parking.
So guys, we made it, and you know what? It's not even that crowded. It's a big crowd, but we lucked out and got a good parking space under the parking garage, and we're just walking around, got some shopping bags. But actually, it's not bad because IKEA is so big. So we'll walk around a little bit and let you guys see. I'm sure y'all seen IKEA before.
This is like the small space areas. Uh-oh.
They got some pretty nice furniture and stuff.
And it's affordable.
That's a real buyer.
I love IKEA. Look, that's my kind of prices right there. Whatever this is, I want. Hey, I like these kind of lights.
Yeah, that's what I was
And I like those too.
Like,
Some light fixture. This is cool too. That's neat. But those lights are nice. I don't remember seeing them.
YouTube?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, shout yourself out. you want?
Social media heavy right now. Hey, but look, I got you though. I tell them, look, this table right here got voice. I ain't gonna do it. I was gonna have you on YouTube yelling at the table. I just think I had voice command. I was gonna Bluetooth like this. But yeah, I definitely got the Bluetooth features and everything.
Oh, yo, that's crazy.
I don't know why you would need it. I don't know why somebody would need this.
You know, people like to spend money, right? What kind of camera is it? That's okay. How the first weekend been?
First weekend, it's hot so far.
Yeah, it's definitely hot.
Busy. Good vibes though, and that's all I got.
Okay, making that money though. What's your name?
Shaq. It's Shaquille, but it's Shaq, man.
Shaq. Sean.
Sean, what's your channel name, man? Let me go ahead and pull.
It's actually they got me recording. It's my parents, but you know, look at that.
Okay.
My man Shaq giving us a subscribe.
There it is right there.
That's the guy when you come to IKEA.
I was thinking about it. I wish you guys the best, though. I'm glad you guys came.
Go out there, check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch some of the videos. There was somebody else, a couple more people came through earlier, though. Definitely did it.
Oh, okay, so vloggers is out. Yo, look at. Nah, it's definitely hot.
Yo, it's hot in
It's
here.
definitely hot. I got the
What camera is that, though? Which one is that?
Sony Mark V.
Mark 5?
Is a mirrorless.
Yeah, that's dope. How much that run? What they go for? Hey, look.
Yeah, it's 4K.
Okay.
He got it though. He and him making his bread.
Yeah, you know. They got to start. So you can even run them off the iPhones, you know, if you really, you know, start.
Yep, that's what. Yep, start there.
Just started with that.
Yep.
Break you off that one right now for 8.
8.
With your first check.
450.
What you gonna do?
Cash money right now.
What you gonna do?
450 cash money right now.
Cash money.
All right, right now.
Right now. Let me
And him throwing his employee
So
discount.
that's a Mark 5. That's a big loss you taking, man.
For my man, when y'all come to IKEA, look for Shaq.
Look for me, man. Appreciate it, bro.
That guy.
Appreciate
my
it.
man.
hi guys. Just relaxing a bit before I go to a big function that I'm going to. And I already got my clothes picked out, so let me show you what I'm wearing. I hung it up already, a dress right there. And my stylist is picking out my shoes over there. And Sean is supposed to be taking me, so.
Hey, just having a little glass of wine.
And this is the hair I'll be wearing tonight. I already curled it. This is my stylist right here, picking out some jewelry. Yep, yep. We're gonna get you all fixed up.
Oh look, that's pretty cool. These are free. Who would bring enough stuff to put in a locker while you shop?
Well, like if you got your purse and stuff, like.
Was it? You
Yes, we made it through.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. No, it wasn't that bad.
I had a good amount of people in there, but it's so spread
definitely
out.
gonna come back. We got what I came here for.
And what was that? Meatballs?
The meatballs, the frozen meatballs. We didn't go to the cafeteria diner, but we got the frozen kind
And gravy?
and some gravy and our grape potatoes. Mwah.
You see all that? Yeah.
Hey guys, we made it through IKEA. I had a lot of fun.
I did too.
What about you, Sean?
Yeah, it was fun.
Just tired. but we'll definitely be going back.
Yeah, like on a weekday.
Yeah, maybe
not like on a
weekday.
weekend, but plus they just opened, so.
Yeah, they just opened up last Wednesday. So this is the first Saturday that they've been open. I'm just glad we didn't take that shuttle.
I think my car is up there. Y'all make sure to be like Shaq, be cool like Shaq, and subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment, and give us a like.
All right.
Yes, and we'll see you on the next video.
See y'all later.
Bye.
Ooh, food truck.